So we've decided to update our running lights and our indicators with new LED lights. And in order to do this, I made a template for the rubber to slide in and sit in securely so that we can replace our lights. And what I've done is, here's the work in progress. I used a hole saw to draw a hole in here, and what I'll do is I'll cut these little lines out so it can fit. So we'll have one indicator and two brake and running lights. This piece will get replaced over the existing ones. Welcome back. Today we are continuing to replace our backlights. So basically the running lights, the brake lights, and the indicator lights. And the reason why we decided to do that was because these are old LEDs, so they're not as bright, and the replacement costs on these are quite expensive. So what we've come up with, you've seen in the previous section where I cut the holes out. We've made a plate, we've put our new lights in. So let me show you. We are going to take out those old lights. And the reason why we can't use the existing rubbers is the lights for these ones are a little bit smaller, as well as the rubbers are too small to fit in these holes. "21 years of dirt and grind come out with it." So there's the holes, and what we are going to do is put this over the existing ones and then tape it down and Sikaflex, and we'll have rivets on the sides and on top to secure it. The next step for me is basically just to widen the holes a little bit so that the rubbers at the back can fit in. So we're not cutting the whole section out, we're just making little pieces out here so that the rubbers here fits properly at the back.